Whether you absolutely love cooking or absolutely hate it, one thing is for sure: you spent time in your kitchen, so why not upgrade it with some simple yet effective solutions? Today we have gathered for you the best 20 gadgets we have found around the internet, so get your cards ready because believe us, you will want to buy quite a lot of them. Number 1. Automatic Pan Stir with Timer. There are delicious sauces that you can make easy as long as your arm doesn't get tired after 1 minute, which it does, so you tend to avoid them. We get it, we're the same way. But with the automatic pan stir, you don't have to worry neither about the time nor your arms. You just set the time you want it to stir and leave it alone to do the rest, while you watch it do its magic or while you actually continue with the rest of your cooking. Number 2. Smart Touch Chef Al Dente Singing Pasta Timer. This is not only useful, but cool. With this little guy, you will never have to worry if your pasta is overcooked, and you can stop throwing pieces of pasta on the wall to see if they stick. This is literally one of the ways to see if the pasta is done. Supposedly, it is. I've done it. You just put the little fellow inside the water, and when your pasta is ready, he will start singing to let you know it's time. Ordering now? You bet. Number 3. The Rollie Egg Cooker. It's excellent. Alright, we're sorry. We couldn't pass on that pun. I mean, come on. This gadget looks like your normal thermos bottle, but it is actually an electric egg cooker that makes tub-shaped omelets. The steps to remember go as follows. Take the eggs, beat the eggs, drop them in the rollie, turn it on, voila! Perfectly shaped eggs in minutes. Plus, it's super easy to clean. Breakfast burritos? Hey, here we come. Number 4. Bin 8 Multi-Kitchen Tool. If you live in an apartment that's small, this bottle-looking accessory is perfect for you. It combines 8 different kitchen tools into one and looks great whether it's stacked or split. It contains a funnel with attachment for pouring sauces and liquids into containers. A lemon juicer, a spice grater, an egg masher, a cheese grater, a lid grip opener, an egg yolk separator, and a measuring cup that measures up to 420 milliliters. Yes to all. Number 5. Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. Your mom doesn't have to be angry anymore that you put fish in the microwave. With the Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner, yours will be as happy as, well, a happy mom. Just fill this little lady with water and white vinegar, put her in the microwave for 7 minutes, and watch her blow off steam that makes your microwave as good as new. Number 6. Purr over Coffee Brewer. Do you love cats? Yes. Do you love coffee? Of course. So why not combine 2 of these loves into one cute looking gadget? It'll help you stay awake while not having an ugly coffee machine cluttering your space. Just put a filter, add ground coffee, then pour boiling water. Ta-da! The coffee is ready on the mug below. It also makes for a truly perfect gift for cat moms who love coffee, which, let's admit, there are many. Number 7. Frywall Splatter Guard. We're not even joking. You need this. Unless you don't mind getting burned every time you fry something in the pan, that is. In that case, continue doing what you do. But if you are like us, then you absolutely dread the time the oil starts to get really hot and then splatters everywhere, including your eyes, clothes, and most of all, your poor hands. This little gadget will make you a fearless chef who can cook fried things without any problems. Number 8. Bear Paws Pulled Pork Shredder Claws. Get ready to release your inner Wolverine in the kitchen. With these heat-resistant bear paws, you can make pulled pork like they do it in the restaurant, saving time and mess-free. You just lift, handle, shred, pull, and carve as much as you want. Imagine pulling them out in your next barbecue. Immediately you would be the star and everybody would want to try. Another extra is that they have been named the best barbecue tool by the National Barbecue Association. And we know these people are tough. Number 9. Tea Reusable Straws. Any fellow tea lovers out there? These 4-in-1 reusable straws are going to be the thing that you use more often this season. It is a reusable straw, it is a tea infuser, it is a drink stirrer, and it is also a spoon. Seriously, what else do you want? The fine mesh spoon head helps to perfectly strain out the whole leaf, or if you prefer, seeds or herbs. They are extra long, made from stainless steel, and have detachable filtering spoon head that allows you to clean it thoroughly every time. Perfect. Number 10. OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner. I have a saying, the hero is not the one who makes the salad, but the one who tosses it. Thankfully, somebody heard me or the million others who have the same problem with tossing salads, and they gave us this amazing gadget. It stays steady on the countertop, it's easy to clean, and most importantly, it tosses the salad for you. Serve your beautiful creation without spilling lettuce all over your guests and self. Number 11. Taco holders. You love tacos, so why do they have to look like little sad people sleeping on their side when you put them on a plate? Make your tacos shine like the diamonds they are with these stainless steel taco holders. They're not only beautiful, but also over-safe for baking, grill-safe, plus dishwasher-safe. Thanks to the taco mold, there is no fear of the ingredients spilling over, and you can serve them fresh right out of the oven. Number 12. Mini Bag Sealer Heat Seal. Now, you actually have an excuse not to eat the whole bag of chips. With this mini bag sealer, you can close anything that you haven't finished eating again and again without worrying that they are going to go bad or lose their crispiness and taste. It works with a wide variety of plastic bags, so you don't have to worry if it's suitable for sealing your favorite snacks. You can seal them in max 3 seconds. Yay! Number 13. Play Your Way Ice Cream Maker. All the dreams you had as a kid come true with this ingenious gadget that makes ice cream while you play with a cool ball. You just flip a handle to steady the ball, and while you add your ingredients in one compartment, then you turn over the ball and put ice and salt in the other. And then you literally play with the ball for 20 minutes, and then boom! Ice cream is ready to eat. Dream coming true, right? Number 14. Countertop Citrus Juicer. Looks good, is good for your health, and also good for the environment. How much more goodness do you want in order to buy it? It is made of recycled aluminum cans and has a stunning retro style that can fit in any kitchen. And of course, it's a great reminder that drinking citrus fruit is good for your health. It's also easy on your hands and wrists because most of the force comes from the juicer's jaws and not you, so drink up. Number 15. Bread Warming Blanket. This makes us dream of cozy afternoons near the fireplace with a good book and some warm bread snacks. The secret of the bread warming blanket is in the removable pack. You just heat it in the microwave, put it in the pouch along with your bread, and then wrap it up like a baby. Have fresh out of the oven bread for the duration of whole dinner parties. Number 16. One Bowl Bread Maker. Since we are on the bread subject, we know a lot of you started making bread during quarantine, so why not continue making it, but this time easier. You just need yeast, salt, flour, water, an oven, and this bread maker.
That we make bread, you don't need a mixing bowl, you keep all the worktop clean and tidy. Everything is done in this smart little piece of kit, and I'm going to show you how to use it.
Of course, you can always mix and match if you want more intricate recipes, but let's just say that we would be very happy with some fresh homemade simple bread, just the same. Number 17. Sleek Sparkling Water Carbonator. Do you love sparkling water, but it is a little bit expensive to keep buying? Have it at home. With this modern stainless steel carbonator, you can have all the fizzy water you want, easy and inexpensive. It uses standard CO2 cartridges and comes with one reusable bottle, so ditch all the disposable plastic ones and have all the fizzy water that you want whenever you want. Cheers! Number 18. Diamond Ice Tray. Why use boring old cubes when you can use diamonds in your drinks? With this food-safe synthetic tray, you can bring the little something extra, even in your glass of water, let alone a fancy cocktail. It is designed to produce 6 gemstone-shaped ice cubes, so you can decide which precious stone you want in your soda today, and have it fresh and crisp. Number 19. Star Wars Darth Vader Mask Toaster. Do you have someone in your life that is absolutely obsessed with Star Wars? Is that someone you? Whichever the case, people are going absolutely crazy about this Darth Vader shaped toaster that actually prints the Star Wars logo on your toast bread. Apart from being how cool it is to have the iconic helmet in your house, you can actually eat a whole empire's worth of toast bread and nobody would even blame you. They do really look cool. Number 20. Pot Holder. We've already made known our love for puns, so you'll have to excuse us for this next one. It is a pot holder. Get it? Get it? We know you do. So simple and yet so clever. Make endless jokes every time you bring it out and have your friends roll their eyes. Come on, it's fun. That is all we have gathered for you today. We are sure that you have found your perfect match in one or more of these amazing gadgets, but we would like to hear from you too. So which one of your favorites is on our list, or which one is your favorite that it wasn't on our list but you do swear by it? If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments which one you would want. Also check out our other videos and subscribe, you won't regret it. That's it for now, until next time.